theatre of the West Bengal Assembly elections, an unlikely protagonist has emerged. The humble Bengali snack, Jhal Mudhi. What began as a roadside pit stop for Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Jhargram has evolved into a powerful symbol of grassroots connection, now celebrated by BJP leaders and workers across the country. 2 weeks ago, amidst a packed campaign schedule, PM Modi paused his convoy to enjoy Jhal Mudhi from a paper cone. He later posted on X, in between 4 rallies across Bengal, had some delicious Jhal Mudhi in Jhargram. The image resonated deeply in Jungle Mahal, a region with a large tribe population, where economic challenges are prevalent. Analysts now suggest this Mudhi moment translated into electoral gains. The snack itself became a metaphor in the campaign. It seemed he ate Jhal Mudhi, but TMC felt the jhal or spice. As counting progressed, Election Commission trend showed BJP ahead, while TMC lagged behind. The symbolism was embraced nationwide, with BJP workers distributing Jhal Mudhi alongside sweets to mark the party's strong edge. Jhal Mudhi turns victory symbol. Interestingly, the puff rice snack carries different identities across India. In West Bengal, Bihar and Jharkhand, it is Jhal Mudhi, defined by raw mustard oil and chanachur. In Odisha, it becomes Jhal Mudhi, often featuring Baripada's famed puff rice. Maharashtra celebrates Bhel Puri, tangy with chutneys and papdi. Karnataka offers churmuri and girmit, while Andhra Pradesh and Telangana serve ugani, a turmeric-tempered breakfast dish. Despite regional variations, the core ingredient, puffed rice, unites them. Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta also joined the celebrations, tweeting, celebrating the victory with Jhal Mudhi and Rasgulla. Under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, every state is ready for a change. From Chapati's Bhel Puri to Mysore's Churmuri, India's puffed rice snacks reflect regional flavors. But in Bengal's 2026 elections, Jhal Mudhi has transcended cuisine, becoming a political metaphor, a symbol of BJP's grassroots outreach and electoral surge. Bureau Report, Argus Digital.